Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So here is the last but one question of this exercise. So question number 9 of exercise 12.2, applications of trigonometry chapter. So the question is, the angle of elevation of a jet plane from point A on the ground is 60 degrees. After a flight of 15 seconds, the angle of elevation changes to 30 degrees. If the jet plane is flying at a constant height of 1500 root 3 meters, find the speed of the jet plane. So seems like question is pretty simple. So we just need to write down the given data, then we draw the diagram. So the given data is point A to B. You see, so assume that this point B is the first position of the plane, and A is the point on the ground. So from A to B, angle of elevation is 60 degrees. Then the flight has traveled for 15 seconds. 15 seconds I have assumed this has covered the distance of BC. So within 50 seconds it has moved from B to point C. So then angle of elevation changes, so which is 30 degrees now. So point A to C is 30 degrees. That's how written here. Point A to B, elevation angle 60 degrees. Point A to C, elevation angle 30 degrees. Now we know that height of this jet plane is constant. So that is 1500 meters, 1500 root 3 meters. So that means CE is also 1500 root 3 and BD is also same value. That's why CE is equal to BD is equal to 1500 root 3 meters. Now from this diagram we can say that BC must be equal to DE. So distance covered in 15 seconds. This is the distance covered in 15 seconds. So now we have finished 50% of this question. Now the only thing we need to find is the speed of this plane, because it has covered this much distance within 15 seconds. And okay, yeah, so we know that AE is equal to AD plus DE. AE is equal to AD plus DE. If we are able, if we can find AE value first, then we can find AD value. So if we subtract these two values, then we can find the DE value. DE value is nothing but BC value. You see guys, from triangle ABD we can find AD value, and from triangle ACE we can find AE value. If we subtract these two values, AE and AD, we can get DE value, and DE value is nothing but the distance BC. And one more thing, we know that we already, so speed is equal to distance by time. So if we know that distance and we already know the time, so then we can find the speed of this jet plane. So for that thing we will do the next part. So to find AE and AD, which we have just discussed now, AE is this part and AD is this part. So from triangle ACE we can find AE, and from triangle ABD we can find AD. So tan 30 is equal to opposite by adjacent. So opposite is 1500 root 3, which is CE, adjacent is AE. So CE we substitute, tan 30 also we substitute the values to get the AE. So AE is equal to CE by tan 30. CE is 1500 root 3 and tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So we just send that root 3 to the numerator. 1500 root 3 into root 3 we get. So 1500 into 3. AE is equal to 4500 meters. So that's the AE distance. Now we can find AD value from triangle ABD. So triangle ABD we have tan 60 is equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite is BD, adjacent is AD. So BD by AD. AD value is unknown, which we need to find now. So AD is equal to BD by tan 60. Then we substitute the BD value and tan 60 values. So BD value is 1500 root 3 and tan 60 is root 3. So root 3 get cancelled. We got AD is equal to 1500 meters. And just previously we already know that DE is equal to AE minus AD. In the from diagram also, DE is equal to AE minus AD. So we substitute AE value and AD value in this part. So BC or DE, which are both same, BC or DE is equal to AE minus AD. AE value 4500, AD value 1500. So after subtracting that we get BC is equal to 3000 meters. This is the distance covered by the jet plane within 15 seconds. Now we have the distance. Now we already have the time, which is given in the question itself. So we can find the speed. So speed formula is distance by time, BC by T. So BC is 3000 meters, time is 15 seconds. So after solving that, we can get the speed of this jet plane, which is 200 meters per second. Or else if you still want to know the speed in kmph, we can multiply it with 18 by 5. So 5 40s are 200 into 18 is 720. So speed of the jet plane in kmph is 720. So that's it, guys. Hope you understand the solution. If you still have any doubts, you can just put it in the comment section. Thank you.